Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be sharing my best trading strategy which I use to make money in the crypto market. And this particular strategy is going to be spectacular. So key into the very end of this video so as to get every step I'm going to be sharing in this video. There are so many ways to make money in the crypto space, and this one I'm going to be showing you is something that has never been unseen. You have been seeing it, but you don't even know how it goes. So I'm going to be showing you how to capitalize in the crypto industry. Alright, if this is your first time with me on this channel, just know that you are watching from Trade with the Great YouTube channel, and in my channel I document videos on crypto trading, forex trading, and how to make money online. So these are three things I focus more on this channel. So if this is your thing, do well to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so as to get notified whenever I post new content on my channel, and don't forget to comment, ask your question down the section, comment section below, and also don't forget to share my videos as well. All right, so now I'm going to be sharing this particular strategy. How do you make money or spot coin that will go 100% on a day? Whereas these particular coins, you have to buy them, and this particular ways to make money is the spot trading. You have to buy them and it just pump. One thing is analyzing. So one thing I like about crypto spot trading is that it's not a kind of meme coin. Here you are trading cryptocurrencies. These are not meme coins. Coins that has potentials that will not rug you. Okay, that is not something that once it falls it will never come back. Okay, so now this is this coin I'm going to be showing you. This particular coin is called Maneki, okay, and it's been there for a while, and this coin hits 100%, and right now is the top coin, one of the top coin doing well, top gainers in BitGet right now. So I'm using BitGet because I have an account with them. You also can have an account with this particular crypto exchange because it's reputable, and you can use any other exchange like Binance, Bybit, and the rest. So I have all these accounts, especially Binance. Okay, all right, so now this particular coin, let me show you the reason for the rise of this particular coin. Now looking at it right now, you can see that there is a perfect W pattern. What I do right here is trade W patterns in the crypto industry, the crypto spot trading. So these are patterns I trade. I trade W pattern, I trade the wedge, and so many other pattern, triangular pattern. These are one of my best trading in the market. Okay, so now this is the W pattern. The M pattern can be formed as well, but right here you are looking out for a buy pattern. So one thing that comes to spot trading is different from future. The difference between spot trading and future is that you can go in between two weights, but coming to sports you're only looking out for buy opportunity, and this future trading is just like you trading forex. Okay, so whereby you expose a certain amount of capital, and once anything goes wrong, if the trade goes against you, that capital is gone for the futures. But right here on sports, the only thing is the value depreciates, but your money still remain. Okay, now let's continue. Okay, so this is W pattern. So let me just bring in our horizontal line. Okay, so if I bring in our horizontal line right here, so bringing in our horizontal line, so right now is the neck. So this is the neck, the W, bottom 1, bottom 2, and this is the neck right here. So what are we expecting? We are expecting a breakout and then a retest. Now let's dive in. Okay, so now this was a perfect retest right here, even though it kind of break back down, but still came up. Okay, came up back. So if you had bought at this point after the retest, this particular point right now, come on, look at what you could have made if you had bought at this one. Can you just take a good look at the rise of this coin? From just this simple analysis I showed you, take a good look at the rise. So this is how I'm able to trade spots in the market. And one thing is that looking at this right now, this is overbought. This is overbought, okay? So you can't capitalize on this particular strategy right now. And I'm also going to be showing you how to use the MA, that's the moving average, how to use moving average to make money in the crypto market. So this moving average indicator will help you on when to enter the trade, and I'm going to be showing that in our next video. Okay, so now looking at it right now, you see that the breakout and you see the push up right there, and how to move even further. So I'm just showing you, this is not just for this particular coin called the Maneki. So it could be done in any order, but right now it's too late for you to buy. Why did I say it's too late? Right now you cannot just hop in. Most of you hop in a particular trade because of FOMO. What is FOMO? FOMO is known as the fear of missing out. So because you see that it's moving up, you just boom, you push in your money thinking it will go, and what happened? Boom, the market suddenly starts falling down. The market starts going down, and you come and say, only time I place a trade, the market starts going against me. Why? You are the one who made the mistake of placing your trade at the wrong time. Because looking at it right now, this is not the best time to place your trade in the market, because this has gone up to the overbought level. Okay, so now the only thing that could make you buy this particular token right now is you look out for another pattern, thereby giving us a bullish pennant. Pennant is a little triangular pattern, but it looks very small and portable. Let me show you. Looking at it right now, this is our pennant right now. So this is it right here, a little small triangular pattern. So that is a bullish continuation pattern. Okay, so once you see this pattern in the market, it could be FX, that's Forex, or the crypto. Once you see this particular pattern, just know that it's a continuation pattern and the market will likely continue moving up. So right now you look out for patterns like that right here, but for now it's not a good time for you to buy, okay? Because the market has gone up so high, about 100%, and it could do even more. So what is this 100%? And this thing happened in just one day, and this is not just the only token. You can do this with many other tokens. I'm also going to be showing you tokens that did more than 100% right now. So this can be done on any other token as well, so you can capitalize on it. And I'll advise you that most coins that will do well are coins that has low values. Okay, you can see this one has about 0.000223, right? So that's what it is, and that's how you can capitalize on it. So like Bitcoin now, if you are buying Bitcoin with your little amount of money, because Bitcoin has a very large value in dollars, the value is high, about 80-something thousand worth of it in dollars. So you likely, though, that's making profit is not going to be as easy as you think. All right, so that's how it's being done. So I'm still going to be showing you the other coins that did well right now. So now let's move down. You can see that this one called the prompt made about 163%. Now let's move into this particular token to see what prompted it. Just as the name of the token called the prompt, what prompted this particular token to go so high? Now we are going to enter this particular token right now. This is a triangular, not triangular, but a rectangular pattern. So if I get my horizontal line right now, so getting my horizontal line right now, so I get another one, I place it. So right now you can see this is a perfect rectangular pattern, okay? And watch, there was a breakout right here, a breakout on a perfect test. So boom, you see how the market did, right? So if you think this strategy doesn't work, I'm also going to be showing you my strategy, the one I did in Pi network. Okay, so right now you can see this has been an overbought level, but what happened? It gave us another pattern, another bullish continuation pattern, and that is the reason why it went up. So right now we don't know if this has hit the overbought level or not, but we are still going to be looking out for it. If there is going to be a breakout, then you can opt in on this particular token called the prompt. Alright, that is it, and this is how you can capitalize on spot trading in BitGet or any other exchange of your choice and make cool money. So, and that's it for this video, and I'll end this particular video here. See you guys in my next video. Bye.